Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Electrofolio. Part 1, Introduction. Once you've logged in, you'll come to the Editor main menu. Everything you need for setting up and managing your website is done from here. The first thing you need to do is to set up the template for your site. This is done by clicking on the Start Building Your Site button from the Welcome pop-up or later on from Template Settings button. A later tutorial will take you through this process. For now, let's take a look at some examples. You can see that the template settings allow you to choose options such as color, font, size of your icons, and its layout. Okay, so let's assume that you've set up your template and go back to the Editor main menu. Now you'll need to upload your work onto your website. You can do this using the Content Manager. We will take you through this process step by step later, but for now let's look at the structure of the content on Electrofolio. There are two ways to show content. Firstly, there's MyWork. It's a section that automatically displays work that you have uploaded in a fixed layout. Second, there are custom pages. Each page can have a custom layout and can be used for anything. You can make use of both. For example, you could display all your work in MyWork area, but use custom pages to create a front page and a biography page. Electrofolio have both, but you don't need to use them. Some users don't use custom pages and some others don't use the MyWork system at all. Let's look more closely at the structure of MyWork. MyWork area contains always one or more portfolios. A portfolio is like a folder that contains a gallery or a number of galleries. Each gallery contains slides. Each slide contains one piece of work, i.e., a picture or a video. Okay, have you got that? Let's go to an actual real example of a website. This page doesn't have an entry page, so we land at the top level of MyWork. Electrofolio will simplify the navigation process if you only have one portfolio. So like here, we are displaying the two galleries that are contained in the portfolio. If there were more galleries, there would be more thumbnails. If we go in first gallery by clicking on the image, we can see all the slides within. Rolling over a slide previews it and shows us the additional entered info such as title, description, or even a PayPal button if we're trying to sell the work. If we click on a slide, we go into the slideshow mode. We can start the slideshow by clicking on play or just continue to navigate from here by clicking on the next bar or by using the arrows on the keyboard. We can get out of this mode by clicking on the exit button, the back button in our browser, or the escape key on our keyboard, and this brings us back to the gallery viewer. By clicking back up one more level or clicking on the title of the site, we arrive back where we started, the top level of the site. Now let's look a bit closer at custom pages. In a later tutorial, we'll show you how to create and edit them. For now, let's just have a look at an example to show you the type of thing that you can do. You can upload a background image. You can add text. You can add pictures. You can add links to take you to other pages you've created or to external websites. You can even add YouTube videos. Every now and then we add new components. So when you watch this video, there may already be new ones ready for you to use. You can of course position or size these elements in any way you wish on the page. That's the end of part 1.